Time never waits for anyone. You have to run with it. I spent my time making money. I spent my money building transformation technology. One day, I got a taste of my own medicine. My own technology killed me. Now I watch the world from heaven. That was my short story.
So that's the final result. Everything you just watched was created entirely inside Filmora using its built-in AI tools. The best part is that this is just one creative example. Once you learn these techniques, you can use them to create your own stories, cinematic edits, or futuristic videos in your own unique style. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or simply experimenting with creative filmmaking, the workflow is exactly the same. In this tutorial, I'll show you every step of the editing process, from setting up your timeline to using AI transitions and AI effects, so you can recreate this look or use these techniques to bring your own ideas to life. Let's get started. First, import all of your video clips into Filmora. Drag them onto the timeline and arrange them in the order you want your story to play. Trim your clips to remove unnecessary parts and keep the pacing fast. Once your timeline is ready, we can begin creating the futuristic video. At this point, I haven't added any transitions, effects, or advanced editing yet. I've simply arranged the clips, trimmed the unnecessary parts, and synced them with the voiceover. Let's play the timeline once so you can see how it looks before applying any AI features.
Time never waits for anyone. You have to run with it. I spent my time making money. I spent my money building transformation technology. One day, I got a taste of my own medicine. My own technology killed me. Now I watch the world from heaven. That was my short story.
Now let's start transforming it. First, open the Transitions tab. Then, go to the AI Transitions section and select VFX. Here you'll find a variety of AI-powered VFX transitions. You can choose any transition that matches your editing style. For this project, I'll use Running Transition. Simply drag and drop it between the two clips where you want to create the transition. Filmora will start processing the AI transition and automatically create the effect between your clips. After the generation is complete, you can preview the result and see how smoothly the transition blends the two scenes together. Now let's move on to the next transition. For this clip, I'll use Digital Transition. Again, simply drag and drop it between the two clips where you want the transition to appear. Now I'd like to add a liquid flow transition between these clips to create a more seamless movement. Simply drag and drop the liquid flow transition between the two clips. Now that we've added the AI transitions, let's make the video even more cinematic by applying some AI effects. First, open the Effects panel. Then, go to the AI Effects section. In the search bar, type Thunder Orbit. Once you find the effect, simply drag and drop it onto the clip where you want to apply it. Filmora will automatically analyze the clip and generate the AI effect. Next, I want to add another AI effect called Character Lift Up. Again, search for Character Lift Up, then simply drag and drop it onto the desired clip. This time, I'll use Blooming Reverie. Again, search for Blooming Reverie, then simply drag and drop it onto the desired clip. Now that we've added the AI transitions and AI effects, the video is almost complete. At this stage, make any final adjustments to your clips by fine-tuning the timing, trimming unnecessary frames, and making sure every transition flows smoothly. Next, open the Audio tab and choose background music that matches the mood of your video. Once everything is in place, preview your video one final time to ensure the pacing, visuals, and audio all work together seamlessly.
Time never waits for anyone. You have to run with it. I spent my time making money. I spent my money building transformation technology. One day, I got a taste of my own medicine. My own technology killed me. Now I watch the world from heaven. That was my short story.